So all in all, 9 words only, but it has to make sense.
So, healthy minerals. Good. Yeah,
Game.
Okay, let's go. What is your sentence? An apple a day gives you life, always, forever.
That makes a lot of sense.
Redundant.
Let's hear it.
When you take medicine, it can improve your immunity.
Hey!
When you take medicine.
Okay, next.
We wanted to keep it really simple, direct to the point.
Yeah.
The words are water and minerals.
minerals.
So, 2, 1. In water, there is a lot of healthy minerals. Simple.
Factual.
3. Okay, it's a hybrid game. Okay. Have to basically answer what the photo is, and then
Royalty, president, they have a title.
oh, you said it.
Yeah, that's
Title is the word.
Title. Okay. Shake.
Okay.
Shake.
Go.
Water.
Container.
Seasoning.
Heard it?
From this medal team.
What was it?
Salty.
Salty. Sauce.
Okay, that is it for challenge number 2. What you guys are gonna do is you see this beautiful Lego path. I mean, right? So you guys, we're gonna do it per team. The person will be blindfolded. You're gonna have to direct him or her to not step on the Lego block.
Mark! Way more difficult. What the hell, man?
For the mind-body coordination, thanks to Pharmaton.
Yeah.
The other one.
You did amazing.
2 minutes and 40. Yes. Our next game, are you guys ready?
So good.
It has to be a group puzzle, and then challenging.
And relaxation. One more. Perfect. One more. Last one.
It's kind of like a water relay, but there's a pop quiz also per person. So it's a speed round, it's a speed game, and also a mental game and a strength game because you guys are gonna have to squat, or at least, right? Everyone squats, and then you hold the cup here. Can everyone try it? For demo's sake, sorry. Okay, squat, and then I'm gonna ask you a question. If you answer it correctly, then you pass the water, you pour the water. 3, 2, 1, go.
Where is the squat?
Squat.
Case out, back out. Baggage claim. Baggage claim.
Out is really
Workout.
Yes, correct.
Okay, let's pass it down.
Can I pour it?
Yeah, go.
Yung mukha ni Beshi.
What is the most important muscle in the human body? A. Biceps. B. Heart.
Heart.
I like how she moved. Of course, I'm right.
Go.
Hard.
So good, Bethany.
Lifestyle. Nice. Okay. Wait that. 1, 2, go.
Ang dami! Oh my gosh!
Okay, question. Which vitamin is commonly known as the sunshine vitamin? Vitamin A or vitamin D?
She's like, just okay. Go, Kelly.
Nice.
Kelly, catch it, Kelly.
I got everything.
Nice.
Last question.
Great job, guys. We are
Grabe, punong-puno.
An average adult human body. 206 or 406?
What?
How many bones are there in an average adult human body? 206. I don't know. Wrong. 206. How many vitamins are in Pharmaton? A, 6 or B, 40? A, 6 or B, 40? Correct.
More. What was it? Turn
So
the
I
cup
have
back.
like.
Damn. Yes, she's right. Damn. Turn the cup.
Ah, punong-puno.
Are we going good?
Yeah.
Give it to Javi, give it to Javi.
Question. What is the key ingredient in Pharmaton Energy? A, carrots. B, ginseng.
Ginseng.
Oh, next, go.
You got it? No. I like it.
Oh, grabe, makrab ka naman dito, di ba? Oh, uplift. Okay, next. Oh, go. Kaya ka na pala.
So chaotic.
Answer the question. What's the question?
Okay, question.
Question. Complete our event handle.
Power.
Power. Passion. Ignite your... Ignite your
Potential.
Performance.
Performance.
Perfect.
Picture perfect. Yay! Okay lang.
Oh, billion.
Grab some more